The COS Dialer is used by campaigns for their volunteers to reach voters by phone. If you're a volunteer, this tutorial explains how to use the COS Dialer. Before you start, make sure you have a good Wi-Fi connection. Cellular connection is not recommended. We recommend using the Chrome browser, so make sure you have that installed. Other browsers are supported, such as Opera. Firefox is not recommended. Supported devices include PC desktop or laptop with Windows 10 or higher, Mac or MacBook with OS 10.10.15 or higher, Chromebook with OS 70 or higher, Android tablets V6 or higher. Various smartphones work but are not recommended. iPhones and iPads are not recommended or supported. You'll receive a link from your organizer. Copy this link to your Chrome browser to bring up the login page for calling. At the Welcome to the COS Open Agent login page, enter your email address. Enter the password that was given to you by your organizer. Use your same email address and this password if you return for more calls in the future. Click the Login button. If this is your first time entering the system, you'll be prompted to enter your first and last name and zip code and phone. Click the Login button and accept your user agreement to complete the login process. Once logged in, you will arrive at the training page. Here you can review the script opening, questions, and closing. Before you start taking calls, click the Test button to do a test call. This will check your microphone and speakers. You should be able to hear the test call and see the microphone moving. If this isn't working, don't continue until it's resolved. You may want to try a different browser or computer or device. If you have a USB headset, you can change the ringtone and speaker settings. Click Setup to reveal the ringtone and speaker device options. At some point, you may need to take a break or ask a question of your organizer. Click Break to enter the break state. When you are done for the day, click Log Out to sign out completely. When you are ready to take calls, click the Available button. Your help is important. Please commit to an hour or more time when possible. The dialer makes hundreds of calls per hour for you and weeds out unanswered calls and bad numbers. You only speak to connected calls. It can take a minute or two once you become available, but usually only takes 30 to 60 seconds between calls if there are numbers available to call. The dialer works better when you stay in available state, so try not to go in and out of training or break unless necessary. And when you're done for the day, log out completely. Once you click Available, you will be waiting for a call. You can see that you are in the queue waiting for a live call to connect. It's important not to click your back button or leave the available state. The script opening is shown so you can memorize the opening. Once a call connects, you will hear a beep tone. Start speaking immediately, as the person you're connected to has already said hello. The script will pop up with the script opening. Other info will be revealed, such as voter info and call disposition buttons. To go to the first question, click Next or press Enter. If available, there will be an alternate script button to convert the script to Spanish or an alternate script. The script opening will be what you say to the person as soon as you hear the beep. If there are additional members in the household, they will be listed here and you can select the one you spoke to. The buttons on the bottom of the opening page are for when you don't reach someone. Perhaps it's dead air or no one there, or it's an answering machine, or a busy signal, or a wrong number, or a do not call. The buttons you need to get off this call are found on the opening page. The first letter of the button is a hotkey for faster coding. The call will end immediately as soon as you press the End Call button. Don't wait long after the call ends to press the button, as the dialer works more efficiently when you move quickly from call to call. Let's walk through the call flow again from the beginning. You'll hear a beep, so start speaking the script opening immediately. The script will follow, popping up on the screen with the script opening and buttons at the bottom. When connecting to a call, you won't hear an initial hello because the dialer is listening for phones to be answered. As soon as you hear the beep, start talking. There can be a few second delay if the organizer is using answering machine detect to weed out answer machines. You should memorize the script opening in case there is any delay between the beep and the script appearing on your screen. Once you've read the opening and established you have the voter on the phone, click Next or press Enter to go to the questions. The first question will appear for you to read. You can select the response below by clicking the box or pressing the number on your keyboard. To advance to the next question, click Next or press Enter. If there is a follow-up to their response, it will appear for you to read. Click Next or press Enter to go to the next question. When all questions are answered, you will arrive at the closing page. Read the closing, then click Complete or press C to end the call and mark the survey complete. Keep in mind that call ends immediately when you press the button, so wait until you've said a cordial goodbye. Once you've pressed Complete, you will return to the calling queue to await for another call to be connected. Here are some reminders for using the COS Dialer. Always use the same email address to log in if you return to use the dialer or log out. Click the Test button to confirm your audio works before you make yourself available. Stay available as much as possible so the dialer can work efficiently. Memorize the script opening and start speaking as soon as you hear the beep. The person has already said hello. Use hotkeys to more efficiently move through the script. You can find more helpful information at support.callserver.us. Thanks for using the COS Volunteer Dialing System.